Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. Hope things have gone well. I'm pretty sure it's Tuesday. I lose track of these things. I have been excruciatingly busy. Working on some updates of code, added fun code to the site, got some updates that Best Buy and Walmart need their carts to be finished, so I'm working on some of those things. But one of the things we did do was a promotional with Botmart. Botmart, yeah, they're great people. I really appreciate the promotional on Twitter. They brought a lot of attention to us, and I thank them very much. Now, if you're watching this and you don't follow Botmart, you should follow them on Discord or go to their website or follow them on Twitter. They're a good group of people. They're knowledgeable about the buying and selling of bots. They're knowledgeable about the buying and selling of bots, and you should just go follow them. They've got lots of services that some of which are competitive to ours, but many of which are not, and you should go check them out. So again, thank you very much to Botmart. I really appreciate the promotional, and what can I say? It was a good giveaway, and we picked up lots of interest, and look forward to future ones. So guys, go check out Botmart. You can find them on Twitter, you can find them on the web, you can find them on Discord. They're great people, so you go check them out and subscribe to their stuff. Anyway, like I said, this is just a catch-up. I'm still I'm still dealing with some of the PayPal issues where PayPal has not notified us about a lot of the updates. So some people are contacting me asking me why their license keys have expired, and I've gone through and dove into PayPal and found that they just never sent us the updates. So if your key has expired and you didn't expect it to, please contact me on Discord or Twitter, and I will double check everything and see and dive through and find out what happened. But anyway, beyond that problem seems to have passed with PayPal. They seem to be notifying me again of updates and things of this nature, so fingers crossed that I don't have to do that again for a while. Otherwise, adding new features, adding new checkouts, the whole process. Software never ends. And my computer is humming, it lets you know. Software never ends. It's always a process that is in development. So even with an alpha release, you always have updates. And so I invite you to come subscribe to the software service. If you want a free key for 7 days and you want to try it out, come to the Discord. The Discord's been posted on my site. The Discord has been posted on the YouTube channel here. Come to this Discord and talk to some of the moderators if you want a 7-day key. They'll be happy to give you one, and give it a try for 7 days. The key's good from 7 days from the time you start. Or actually from the time you request it. So if you request it on a Monday and they give it to you, it's 7 days from that Monday that it's been issued, not 7 days from the time you start it. Anyway, enough of that. So there are free keys for the asking if you really want to try it. It does take a little while to understand the bot because there's a lot of opportunities to do different things. It's not a bot where you just say fire and go. You have abilities to run in headless mode and headed mode, turbo mode, turbo headless mode, different timing settings, there's just a bunch of different potential settings, and you can set each task up for a different type of setting and see which task lands it, because this game always changes, and if you don't think it does, you just don't understand the game that takes place, the cat and mouse game that takes place between the retail sites and these automated processes. So the neat thing about my bot is you can change the settings for each task, and you can run multiple tasks and see which one lands. Or you can run the same task over and over again. There's so many options. You need time to sit down and look at how you want to put the options together and how you want to run them. Anyway, I do have a list of things that people want me to add and want me to change, and I'm working on those all the time. I'm going to back away from the marketing a little bit for a while, at least my personal time on it, and go back to the bot code. So I think I brought everyone up to speed, and you have, like I said, you have a chance. You're interested. The 7-day key. Come on, join the Discord. We are going to be giving away more giveaways on Twitter. So follow us on Twitter. Add more Twitter followers. Retweet our tweets. The people who are moderating the Twitter account, because I don't have time, they will be giving away keys. So keep that in mind. Anyway, that's it. Hey, take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.